I'm Ted at BCW Supplies, and this is our 800 count box. This is a one-piece design where the front can come over and lock in place. In comparison, we have a two-piece design, that's the 802 box. When you get the 800 count box, it's very likely that it will be flat like this rather than folded, so a quick folding demonstration might be in order. It's a very simple process, but there's a few things to point out. On the sides here, there's a double score line, so you're going to want to make sure to fold on both of those lines. I like to pre-fold it so it assembles simply. Okay, I'm going to bring up the front and the back. Wrap the side over the top. Same thing on the other side. After you get the box folded, come back and push down on the top edge on the side here. That will push this tab down into the hole. Same thing on the other side. Push down on the top, pushing the tab into the hole to lock everything into place. The amount of cards that you'll fit inside the 800 count box will vary depending upon the width of your card. In this case, we have some 80s Topps cards and they're a traditional point size. So we could fit right at 800 cards inside the box. Now this is a popular box size because for sports cards, lots of box sets are right at 800 cards. If you place thinner cards in the 800 count box, such as these Magic the Gathering cards, you're going to fit many more cards inside the box than those sports cards. In this case, we fit 1,140 cards inside the box.